Welcome home to Suite 306 at 2215 Dundas. This perfect starter home in Hastings Sunrise is bright and spacious and features an updated kitchen equipped with full-size stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a breakfast bar. There's a large bedroom that is enough room for a king-size bed and an updated bathroom. The complex has a well-run strata and the building has had many updates. It's in a fabulous location with easy access to downtown and is walking distance to Pandora Park and great shopping and dining in the Hastings Sunrise Village.